Ojik.
Боже, вон там. Это детский сушняк березовый. И трясу. Так красиво.
Happy New Year, India.
Как?
Happy New Year, India.
Happy New Year, India.
Вот так, молодец. Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Recipe. First of all, wishing you a very happy new year and thank you. Thank you so much for your love, for your support. So this is the first episode of this year, and in this episode we will see how Russians like to celebrate New Year and what is the most important food for Russians for the New Year dining table, for the New Year dinner. So let's start the first episode of this year with a great holiday mood and definitely lots of food.
Всем привет! С наступающим Новым годом!
New Year preparation. Ikra. It is only ikra and fish.
Подожди. This креветки.
Crevetki
And this fish, red fish.
and this
Red fish.
red
fish.
fish.
This red fish. Red fish. Red
We will bag this red fish in salt and after 3 days it will be ready.
big, very big. И вот
Вот.
еще.
The shrimp.
Shrimp?
Crevetki.
Да.
Homemade red fish. in Russia, caviar, red fish, Haladias. It is stock jelly. It will boil at least 6 hours, and recipe is there on channel. Link is in the description. And salad, sealed pot shuboi. It is fish salad, and those who love fish, they must try this salad because it is very tasty fish and very unique and authentic Russian fish salad. It is very important dish, especially for the New Year dinner. Actually, without these items, the Russian New Year dining table is absolutely incomplete. And this one is Olivier salad. Recipe I will upload later on channel, and the link will be available in the description. So please do watch. And this one is fully vegetarian salad, and recipe is there on channel, and link is in the description. So please do watch the full recipe. Actually, there is nothing like starter in Russian cuisine. There are two types of foods. One, it is cold food, and the second hot food. So cold food we have like salad and all. 3 types of salads are ready. Now we are going to prepare some hot food. So one hot food is which is famous all over the world. Most of the people like this dish, that is pulao. The Russian pulao and Uzbekistani pulao, these are very different kind of pulaus. And this one also a very famous Russian dish.
Only for good taste. This can be kept with the oven all with one side.
Somebody says it belongs to Russia, somebody says it belongs to Georgia, somebody says it belongs to Turkey, but let them argue. Those who are arguing, you just enjoy the dish, because food only belongs to your stomach. And later I'll upload the full recipe video separately, and the link will be available in the description. And now it is time for sweet. So we are going to bake a very tasty cake. Recipe will be available soon. So if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe so you can watch all these really tasty recipes, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. This salad, pure vegetarian, and this with fish, this salad with chicken. Red fish. So everything is ready. Wishing you a very happy new year. So this episode I'm going to wind up right here, but please do watch the second part, because tomorrow morning we are going to village, and in second part I'll show you the typical Russian village life, how people live in the -20, -30 degrees, and what is the Russian village. So please do watch the second part. Stay safe, stay healthy. To be continued.